Hello, Kathryn here with iCraft Vinyl. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use liquid metallic. So to start off, I have my image in design space. I'm going to make sure I have it the correct size. After sizing it correctly, I'm then going to send it to my mat. Once I send it to my mat, I'm going to make sure it's mirrored. After mirroring my image, I then make sure it's placed correctly on my mat. Then I select my material. I'm going to select Everyday Iron-On. And after selecting that, I'm going to hit print. Make sure your machine is working correctly and your blade is good to cut. Okay, so now I have placed my image or my material that I will be placing my image on, shiny side down on the mat. With the liquid metallics, it's very easy to tell which your shiny side is because it will be less shiny on the back side, and it is always silver on the back. Now, as my image is cutting, which you can see, it's going to be a very small, intricate picture that it's cutting on that design. So a little bit about liquid metallic is it gives a liquid chrome effect, and it's a one-of-a-kind design that will stretch and is very flexible. It is ultra soft, and it can give a prism effect with different colors of wavelengths, providing depth and dimension to your project. Now, when using, you can use a heat press, an EasyPress like I'm using here, or you can even use an iron. It is always 315 for 10 seconds. This is going to be a cold peel, so you want to touch it and feel it cool off. You can use something to help it cool it off, or you could just let it cool. When it's ready, you remove the backing, but even after you remove the backing, you will then press it one more time. But as you can see, it comes off super easily. 10 seconds is really all it needs. And then once you peel it off, you can even see how some of it is already in the fibers of the shirt. And it goes in so easily. Now, you're not going to be done there because you need to press it one more time. To protect your image, you can use a Teflon sheet or parchment paper. I prefer parchment paper, and you just put your press down one more time, nice hard pressure, and you do it for another 10 seconds, same time, 315. Now this is a layerable material, so I can always add another color to the top layer or add something else to the design, and I won't have to worry about it getting damaged or anything. And you can even see how well this is now in that shirt. This is absolutely gorgeous and absolutely my favorite material to use. And you can see how well you can stretch the shirt, move the shirt around, and not have to worry about this at all. It is so beautiful, and it shines so nicely. I absolutely recommend you trying this product out, and thank you for watching.